Marco Escobedo. I'm the new automobile teacher, and then right now my class is the advanced automobile.
I want to go to TSTC after this, just to further my education in automotive, and this class has helped me learn just the basics on what I need to know on how to fix cars.
Working on cars is my passion, and my passion for like a long time. So being in here and being around it all the time just, I don't know, makes my day. Because I'm here from like after lunch to the end of the day. So it's just being surrounded by what I love all the time. I love my teacher, and I got my best friends over there who make it 10 times better.
It's actually helped me a lot. I've learned a lot of things. I've done a lot of jobs, a lot of tire jobs, and simple things that everybody needs to know about the vehicles, no matter whether you do that for a living or not. So it's really helpful in that area. And plus, that's what I want to do, is continue this education after high school. So, I love getting in here and turning some bolts and learning how to make these things that everybody in the world uses run. So
Anything on the car, you can get certified in it. It just depends on what you go for.
yeah, you can get certifications in brakes and certifications. The brake lathe and refrigerant systems, and tool identification, maintenance and light repair. And that'll all be in a general ASE, hazard and safety. We got a 30-hour OSHA certification last year.
There's endless. It's endless. Going out there with a lot of certifications, you'll find a good job with good pay.
I mean, as a kid, I think everyone wants to go to the shop, to work on the cars, to get dirty. But as well, they need to know the basics. I think they're excited about this. I see a kid like smiling or at least having fun, but at the same time learning. That's a win for me. So that's something that all my students will accomplish. I hope so.